Alright, hey guys, what's up? So I was just wondering if, anyone knows how, what's the problem with my phone? I mean, it looks good, like not broken or anything, as you can see. Alright, look, I'm gonna hold the power button. See, it won't turn on. That's the thing. It doesn't want to turn on or charge. So let me take out the battery. See here? Take it off. Everything looks good. These right here are good. I've checked them. SIM card, I've taken it on and off. Same here. Wait, is it here? No, it's not there. Okay. Here, I've taken it on and off. I've put in the battery back on. Alright. And try turning it on. Still nothing. I don't know why. And at one time I've gotten to turn it on, and I did hold the power and the volume, and I've done that many times, and it turns off still before I make it. And I've also bought a new battery, and I've tried it, and still doesn't want to turn on. So I'm gonna show you how it is when I connect the charger here. So I got one hand on my iPod and one hand here. Okay, let's see. Connect it here. Let's see. Damn. Okay. So it's connected, and it should be turning on to charge right now. Still nothing. Nothing. And I didn't even have it for that long. It's fucking gay. But if anyone knows what the problem is, let's see. You can send me a PM message, private message on YouTube, or just comment and stuff. Like, try to help me out here. I want to fix this phone, you know. But anyways, thank you, and just, you can do whatever you like, but please comment and tell me what's wrong. Thanks.